Alright, I'm continuing our portfolio page setup. Right now we have two posts on our 4-column portfolio page. One's a video, and as I finished, I was just showing you the video that displays. It's automatically going to get resized for you, and these next previous links will go to the next and previous posts. Very simple. So, the other things I want to touch on are just a few examples. So we have an image, a video, and I showed you how to add in the view project link. Another thing is, by default, it'll open up in an image. And let's say you didn't want to embed the video, but you did want a video to pop up. All you need to do is, let's go ahead and find our post, the sample image post, and I'll show you. So we go to portfolio, and we go to our sample portfolio item. There's a couple options. One is just a generic link. So if you wanted a link to, let's say, google.com, which is what I did in our featured slider, you would just type that in here. I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. So now when you click on the image, it'll go to, I need to refresh that. The view more will go there. Alright, so if we type in the specific link there, the view more will go there. If you wanted, instead of the image to pop up, it's under video link, and what that means is you just pull the link from your video page. So this is that one that we just showed you. It would be the same with YouTube. You would just grab the page link. So if we update that, we refresh our page. Now when I click on sample image, it'll open up the video. So just a couple of things I wanted to go over these options all on the bottom. You can play around with them and see which way works best, but there's tons of ways to, get your different get the different things that you want. So alright, so that's our 4-column portfolio. Let's move on to the second column portfolio, or our second portfolio page that I set up. So I'm going to go and just make a new type and call this one, I'll just call this one another portfolio, or second portfolio actually. So then we add this type. So now we have three. One's a featured slider, one's our 4-column, and one's our second portfolio. Let's go ahead and add another one. I'll just go ahead and add default post, and we're going to use that same image we've been using. It's just a basic image, and we're going to use this featured image, and we're going to make sure to select second portfolio. So now if we publish this, this post is associated with that type, and we need to do one last step, remember, which is making sure our page has the same type. So if we go to our page and we select second portfolio as portfolio type, let's update that. We can now go to our second portfolio page, and if you remember, I had set it as a portfolio 2-column, so that's why it's a little big, and it's only displaying our default post. But if we go back to our 4-column, it displays those other two posts. And so this is what we mean by unlimited portfolios. You can keep adding pages and types and have tons of different portfolio pages, all with unique posts in them, and they'll be sorted out for you and everything. Last thing, I guess, if you want to change your template, it's super easy. Let's do one with a sidebar this time. Let's update that. So it's that easy. You can just change it on the page if you wanted to change it on the fly. Very simple. So yeah, that's the gist of the portfolios.